India amadi Bangladesh aniki marakta chawno unkhatnabagi phibam ama leiringai cherak asida India gi ngamkhai ngagliba Border Security Force BSF na handak ikui kuidringai da chathakiba thawong adugi matangda Bangladesh ki Dhaka da India gi High Commissioner oina leiriba 𝗟𝗚𝗜 bu ngarang Bangladesh ki Ministry of Foreign Affairs na samon tawkhre ngarang Bangladesh ki Foreign Secretary Ambassador MD 𝗓𝗡𝗚𝗓𝗓 na 𝗟𝗚𝗜 bu Ministry of Home Affairs ki office da kaukhatuna handak Bangladesh amadi India aniki ngamkhai paringda BSF singna chathakiba thawong adubu haksina lawi haina khanganki haina Bangladesh ki Foreign Ministry gi maikaidagi thoklakiba cherol amada khanghalakli Dhaka gi maikaidagi ngamkhai paringda BSF na tongan mafam mangada fencing khagatnaba honarakiba thawong aduna leivak anigi marakta leinariba yana warol violate tawi hairi Bangladesh ki Foreign Secretary ga minute 95 rom chupna unaruraba tungda paumi singa unaba amada India gi High Commissioner 𝗟𝗚𝗜 na High Foreign Secretary ga mahaka unaba aduda maru oina India gi maikaidagi leivak anigi ngamkhai paringda crime gi thabak chathahandaba ngamkhai lana huran lanada port puthok pusin tawba criminal sing amadi chathok sasin tawba singi mathakta thabak lokhatnaba wari khanaki leivak anigi ngamkhai paringda fencing khagalaknaba tawkiba thabak adugi matangda nakal anina su wari sanaki hiram asigi matangda BSF amadi border guard Bangladesh anigi marakta su haujikti paw ningthina faunare haina 𝗟𝗚𝗜 na pawmi singda faudongki
a crime-free border, effectively addressing the challenges of smuggling, movement of criminals and trafficking. We have an understanding with regard to fencing the border for security. Our two border guarding forces, BSF and BGB, have been in communication in this regard. We expect that understandings will be implemented and that there will be a cooperative approach to combating crime.